Well, today I wanted to give you guys a bit of an update because I took my car into Fabian here at Avalon Protection Coating Films. You've seen him before in some of the videos. As I mentioned on the podcast last week, we were going to do a control wash. That's the part that I missed. Anyway, so he's doing a control wash on the car to make sure that the warranty is still good on the, or actually it's part of the warranty on the ceramic coating that I have on the car, but he's also going to repair my rim. Now, I haven't seen the rim yet. I'm going to go into the shop and see what kind of repair job on it. He tells me I probably won't be able to tell the difference from new, so let's go into the shop and take a look and see what it's all about. Hey, buddy.
Oh, please, not now, man.
No, I'll turn it off. All right. All right, here's White Knight. It looks amazing. It's all clean. I won't touch it right now, but this is the first time I'm seeing the wheel here, so this is the one here that was scraped up. So here's the deal. I was in a underground parking garage, and I came around a corner where there's a ticket wicket, and of course the arm that has to go up, and it's scuffed up all of my rim all the way around here. I've got some rash right here on the edges. Oh yes, and these are very expensive. These are the 22-inch Tesla turbine rims, so as you know, if you know anything about these rims, they're super expensive. So Fabian just put it on. Oh my. Oh, I can't believe that. It looks brand new. It's like... well, you know what? Kudos to these guys. They did an amazing job. Holy mackerel, I can't believe that. Well, I have to say, call me impressed. I can't believe how good that wheel looks. It looks like it's brand new. I don't know how they do it, but these guys are experts. So White Knight is all cleaned up. Ceramic coat is really good. They just had to do new top coat on it, and they did a full detailing. So thank you, Fabian. You're the best. When we get the Roadster, guess where we're bringing it? We're thinking about doing a satin wrap on that when I get it. We'll see. Anyways, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, put them down in the video down below, and then we'll answer some more. Anyways, thanks for watching. See ya.